Welcome back. Goa Cricket Association has apparently turned into a deserted stadium-like premise as the office staff has gone on mass leave. The government-appointed inquiry team seems to have hit the functioning of GCA. According to Senior Vice President Dr. Shekhar Salkar, the staff is afraid of facing the government investigators and must be following the instruction of President Balu Phadke and Secretary Chetan Desai. On the other hand, Balu has claimed that the staff was terrified due to intimidation and has been given a week's leave.
This is the scene at the GCA office in Porvorim on Saturday morning. It is evident that the office staff has gone on leave. Dr. Salkar is shocked at the latest development following the government-appointed two-member investigating team's request for cooperation from the staff.
It's really ridiculous म्हणटा अशें म्हणजे I don't understand ही नवी पद्धत खंयची आयल्या काय म्हणून. Okay, you don't answer the queries, but the other works also is there of GCA. You cannot just stop all the work. ऑफिसां बंद दवरप भुरग्यांचे खेळपाच्या अंडर 19च्या 4 दिसाच्यो मॅची सुरू जातल्यो आनी आफ्टर सम टायम वी हॅव टू प्रिपेर फॉर देम. तांचे सगळ्यांचे भुरगे खेळटात कोणाचे पेमेंट करपाचे लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर वेटिंग फॉर देअर पेमेंट्स.
Dr. Salkar slammed President Balu Phadke and Secretary Chetan Desai for running GCA in an unsporting and ridiculous manner.
स्वताक व्हडले व्हडले ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेटर समजतात. लोक म्हणटा की बरो ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेटर चेतन भितर. दिस इज द वे टू ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेट GCA. Okay, you don't want to answer the queries of the investigating officer, it's no problem. You tell them not to come. But you can't tell everybody to go on a mass leave. आणि आमचो प्रेसिडेंट व्हडले व्हडले टीव्हीचेर एडवर्टायजमेंट हे आमचे हेड्स ऑनान तुमच्या प्रुडंट मिडियाकूच सांगतालो की आय एम ओपन टू ऑल द इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन म्हणून. आतां इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन लागले की सगळे दुकानां बिकानां बंद दवरून सगळे घरा हें कितें हें कसले दीस. आनी फाल्यां यू कॅनॉट वी हॅव ऑलरेडी रिटन अ लेटर टू BCCI ऑल्सो. दिस इज नॉट द वे GCA कॅन बी रन. दिस इज लायक म्हणजे तांचे दीस आतां भरलेले आसा अशें दिसता म्हाका.
Asked for his comment on the absence of office staff, Balu claimed that the staff was terrified by Treasurer Vilas Desai and committee member Prabjit Sandhu with threat of filing criminal cases if they did not cooperate with investigation team. Hence the staff approached Secretary Chetan for a week's leave, which will also cater for the upcoming Diwali festival. Omkar Farari for Prudent.
Kolava police successfully nabbed a couple involved in theft at Holy Trinity Church of Benauli. Husband Carlos King Dias and wife Lina Sajida Dias are behind bars. The theft was committed in the month of May by threatening the church staff. The duo robbed 2 laptops, 10,000 rupees and 3 mobiles by threatening with a koitha. Duo have confessed the crime and are currently in judicial custody.
Recovered so far, one mobile which was earlier recovered, which Carlos King has sold to one of the person by name Rajesh, that is already recovered. Secondly, yesterday we have recovered 2 laptops and 1 mobile, as well as the burqa, the part of the burqa which was worn by the lady, the cap which was worn by the culprit man, the mask which was worn by him, and the clothes worn by the accused Carlos King are attached.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.